Good morning, one and all. We start our session. Uh, Last day we see about eigenvalues and eigenvectors. So today we learn about some complex numbers. Okay, complex numbers. Now we see what is complex number and from which equation it origins. Simply, it is a quadratic equation x square plus 1 equal to 0. From this, it gives x square is equal to minus 1. That is x under root of both side is x under root of x square is equal to under root of minus 1, and that is x is under root of minus 1. So that under root of minus 1 is denoted by iota, that is I, and it is simply a complex. Okay, if we squaring both side, so we get I square is equal to minus 1. Therefore, I cube is simply I square into I, that is minus 1 into I, that is minus I to the power 4, that is I square into I square, that is minus 1 into minus 1 is equal to 1. And so I to the power 5 is again I to the power 4 into I, that is I, because I to the power 4 is 1. And simply I to the power 6 can be written as I to the power 4 into I square, that is 1 into minus 1, which is minus 1. And similarly, we can find I to the power 7, 8, 9, and so on. Okay, both real numbers and imaginary numbers are the subset of complex numbers. Is that clear? Because complex number can be written as a plus ib, and a and b are real numbers. If we choose b is equal to 0, then it becomes a plus I0, that is a, and a is simply a real number. So that every real number is a complex number. So if we take any a from real number, it can be written as a plus 0i. So that a is again a complex number. So every real number is complex number. And imaginary numbers are simply bi times. Simply it is purely imaginary. Bi is simply purely imaginary, and a plus bi is complex number, which is mix of real and imaginary number. This definition: if a and b are real numbers, the number a plus ib is a complex number, and it is said to be written as standard form. Okay, if b is 0, then a plus ib is equal to a, and it is a real number. And if a is 0, then a plus by ib is simply written as ip. A plus ib is simply written as ib, so that ib is purely imaginary number. Okay, so 1 plus under root of minus 8 can be written as 1 plus I times root a, because root of minus 8 can be written as root of minus 1 into root 8. Root minus 1 is iota, so that it becomes 1 plus 2i root 3. Addition and subtraction of complex number. Summation is defined as this one: a plus ib plus c plus id is equal to a plus c plus I times b plus d. difference a plus ib minus c plus id is equal to a minus c plus b minus d r. Multiplication of complex number. Simply there are two complex numbers a plus ib and c plus id. So that a plus ib into c plus id is equal to, simply it is a multiplication of two numbers a plus ib and c plus id, that is ac, into bi into di, that is b into di square, and I square is simply again minus 1. Okay, so a into c and bi into di is b d I square, and I square is minus 1. So that this one. Okay, a into di, that is adi, and bi into c, that is bci. So I common, it becomes ad plus bc. So product of two complex number is again a complex number. The product of two complex number is found by multiplication as if it is a numbers where binomials, and using the fact that I square is equal to minus 1. Okay, इथं काय केलं आपण? Product of these two things, I square, and it becomes written as minus 1. Some examples. Simplify करून दिलेले आहे. 2 minus 4i, 3 plus 5i, product 2 into 3, that is 6, 2 into 5i, that is 10i, minus 4i into 3, that is minus 12, and minus 4i plus 5i, that is minus 20i square, and I square again minus 1, so that it becomes 26 lines. And squaring is again same, that is product of 7 plus thrice I, 2 times 7 plus 12 thrice I. Okay, so 7 into 7, that is 7 square, 2 times 7, 3i, that is 42i, and 3i square means 9i square, 9i square is again minus 1. Okay, again a product of this, that is 3 plus twice I and 3 minus twice I. If you multiplied these two, we get 13. Okay, simply it is a real number, that is product of two complex number can be real number as well. Okay, this concept can be used to divide complex numbers. complex numbers distinguish कसं होते, division कसं होते. Okay, complex conjugate and division. Okay, simply if a plus ib is a complex number, then the pair a minus ib is called a complex conjugate of a plus ib, and its product is always a real number, that is a square plus b square. Is that clear? Product of complex conjugate pair is a positive real number. Division. Okay, simply your two complex numbers are a plus ib and c plus id. If you have to divide a plus ib by c plus id, simply we know that complex number and its conjugate, their product is a real number, so that we multiply and divide it by conjugate of denominator. Okay, so C minus ID, divide and multiply. So we get denominator C square plus D square, numerator. If we simplify, then we get AC plus BD plus BC minus AD times I upon C square plus D square. And simply it is a standard form of complex number. That is first upon this plus second term times I. Okay, so standard complex number. ठीक आहे, लक्षात आलं काय असलं तर perform the operation and write the result in standard form. Okay, we do not want to leave I in the denominator. डिव्हिजन मध्ये एक गोष्ट नेहमी लक्षात ठेवायची की तुमच्या डिनॉमिनेटर मध्ये आय असायला नको. ठीक आहे, तरच ते डिव्हिजन परफेक्ट होते. कारण कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबरचा फॉर्मॅट काय, ए प्लस आय बी. आय काय असला पाहिजे, ए प्लस बी टाइम्स आय. इज that clear? So that we know that the product of complex number and its conjugate is always a real number. So simply multiplied and divided by its conjugate. What is the complex conjugate of 1 minus twice I? That is 1 plus twice I. Okay. A counter example इथेच घेतलाय. 6 minus 7I upon 1 minus twice. Complex conjugate of 1 minus twice I is 1 plus twice I. So we multiplied and divided by 1 plus twice I. Perform the operation. And we got the result that 20 plus 5I upon 5. That is 4 plus 1I. Is 4 plus I. Okay, so division of 6 minus 7I by 1 minus twice I gives 4 plus I. Dividing complex numbers. लक्षात घ्यायला. Second example, simply multiplied and divided by conjugate, simplify. ठीक आहे, हे एक दुसरं एक्झाम्पल आहे. 1 plus I by I minus 3 upon 4 minus I. दोघातही सारखे ऑपरेशन, मल्टिप्लाइड अँड डिवायडेड बाय कॉन्जुगेट. आता आय चा कॉन्जुगेट होते मायनस आय. मायनस आय ने मल्टिप्लाइड अँड डिवाइड केलं काय, किंवा आय ने मल्टिप्लाइड अँड डिवाइड केलं काय, हे सारखं आहे. ओके, सो दॅट मल्टिप्लाइड अँड डिवायडेड बाय आय and conjugate of 4 minus I is 4 plus I. So that multiplied and divided by 4 plus I. It becomes numerator I plus I square by I square plus 12 plus bi upon 4 square plus 1 square. On simplifying, yes, simply add, subtract, take LCM, and note the result. That is 5 by 17 minus 14 by 17 I. In polar format. A plus IB is simply a Cartesian form. Now in polar form, for any complex number can be expressed as x प्लस आय वाय ऑर्डर पेअर मध्ये लिहिता येते x, y रिलेशन बिटवीन रेक्टेंगुलर फॉर्म एंड पोलर फॉर्म. ठीक आहे, म्हणजे रेक्टेंगुलर म्हणजे कार्टेशियन. ओके, tan theta is y by x and x square plus y square is r square. So x equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. So any complex number can be written as x plus iy is equal to x is replaced by r cos theta, y is replaced by r sin theta. That is r cos theta plus r sin theta into I. That is r times cos theta plus I sin theta. Shorthand r cis theta. Okay, r times c is cos plus I times sin. Okay, so cis format. So r cis theta. पोलर फॉर्म मध्ये 4 minus twice आहे. 4 CIS 32. लक्षात काय केलं तर 4. So R is equal to 4 square plus 2 square 16 plus, okay, 16 plus 4 that is 20. So R square is equal to 20, so that R is equal to under root of 20. Okay, and angle theta tan inverse of y by x. Y is minus 2 and x is 4, so minus 2 by 4 minus 2 by 4, so that is minus half. What is tan inverse of minus half? चला सांगा. ठीक आहे, काढून चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाका. आणि हे दोन एक्झाम्पल पुन्हा स्क्रीनशॉट काढून ठेवा. हे दोन 4 minus twice ला पोलर फॉर्म and 7 cis 30 ला rectangular form, this Cartesian form. And again these two examples, under root 2 cos pi by 3 plus I sin pi by 3 in rectangular form. Cos pi by 3, we simply put the value of cos pi by 3 and sin pi by 3 and express the following complex number in polar form. It's 5i. Product of quotients of complex numbers in polar form. दोन कॉम्प्लेक्स फॉर्म आहे, पोलर फॉर्म आहे कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबरचे. r1 cos theta 1 plus I sin theta 1 plus r2 cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2. Product r1 r2 cos theta 1 sin theta 1, so I sin theta 1 cos theta 2 plus I sin theta 2 If you simplify and multiply, you will get this result. That is R1 into R2 cos theta 1 plus theta 2 plus I sin theta 1 plus theta 2. And division R1 upon R2 cos theta 1 minus theta 2 plus I times theta 1 minus theta 2. Next topic is De Moivre's theorem. म्हणजे आपण इझिली कितीही पॉवर असली कॉम्प्लेक्स नंबरची तर त्याला आपण इझिली सॉल्व करू शकतो बाय युजिंग De Moivre's theorem. Okay, theorem state that R cos phi plus I sin theta be a complex number, can be a real number, then R cos theta plus I sin theta or R cos phi plus I sin phi to the power n can be written as Rn R to the power n, that is cos n theta plus I sin n theta. Okay, the resulting R value will be R times or R to the power n power. Resulting angle will be n times to original angle. म्हणजे चेंज कुठे झाला फक्त R to the power n cos theta plus I sin theta to the power n, that is power can be changed to multiple of angle, that is n phi. ठीक आहे, स्टेटमेंट आहे फक्त 3 to the power 5 किती होतं तसंच आपण हे काढू शकतो, that is 3 cos 45 plus I sin 45 to the power 5. Okay, so 3 to the power 5 and cos 5 times 45 plus I sin 5 times 45, that is cos of 225 plus I sin 225. Okay, it can be also written as 243 times CIS. It also written as CIS 225. One minus I to the power 4. Okay, 1 minus I to the power 4. हे रिझल्ट फक्त तुमच्या कामासाठी आहे. De Moivre's theorem कसा अप्लाय करायचा, simply write it in polar form, that is R times cos theta plus I sin theta. From 1 minus I find the value of angle, that is theta, and R, the value of R is 1 square plus minus 1 square, that is 2, and R, the value of R is under root of 2, and angle is tan inverse of y by x, y is minus 1 and x is 1. Okay, so that y, that is coefficient of y, which is minus 1, x real number, that is real part 1, so angle theta tan inverse of y by x, that is minus 1, so minus tan inverse of 1 is pi by 4 minus pi by 4. Okay, is your angle, and R is under root 2. So that format is under root 2 CIS minus pi by 4. That's a power level. ठीक आहे, फक्त पॉवर साठीच नाही तर रॅशनल पॉवर साठी वापरला जातो. 1/p m/n. Okay, polar form, and r to the power 1 by angle is multiplied by 1/p. Simplify the following, that is 4 minus 4 times root 3i to the power 1/3. Okay. Every complex number has p distinct pth complex roots. If it is power 1/2, then it has 2 roots. If it is power 1/3, then it has 3 roots. So that it is power 1/p, then it has p roots. Okay. So any complex cos and sine, period of cos and sine is twice pi, that is twice n pi. Okay, so simply if we replace theta by theta plus twice n pi, that's it remains unchanged. So we replace angle by angle plus twice pi n. Okay, fourth root of -3 minus twice n. काढायचं आहे. हे 2 क्वेश्चन आहेत तुमच्याकडे. कोणता हे आपण पाहिलाच आहे, ऑलरेडी सॉल्व्ह केला तुमच्या अल्जेब्रा अँड ट्रिग्नोमेट्री मध्ये, फर्स्ट चॅप्टरच आहे. ठीक आहे, एक स्क्रीनशॉट काढून ठेवा. सिम्प्लिफाय द फॉलोइंग. सेकंड, and third. काही याच्याबद्दल काही विचारायचं आहे? स्वतःला अनम्यूट करा किंवा मग चॅट बॉक्स मध्ये टाका.